जो हमारे किसी चीज को पाने की आग है वो किसी वीडियो को देखने से बस टेम्पररीली आ सकती है। अगर वो आग तुम्हें परमानेंटली चाहिए तो all this distraction just lead you into overthinking. The main reason why people don't achieve their goals. You are ambitious, but you think you are lazy. I don't think you are lazy. This means like you have a goal and you have a vision, but you lack the necessary steps which would take you there. Meaning you hate the process, but you want the reward. It's pretty confusing to me. Like you want something so badly, बट स्टिल यू डोंट एक्ट ऑन इट। अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ चाहिए बस कैसे भी करके चाहिए, बट मैं उस चीज़ को पाने के लिए कोई काम नहीं करता हूँ, मैं उस चीज़ के लिए हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता हूँ, हाउ कैन आई गेट दैट? इट्स फकिंग इम्पॉसिबल। मुझे वो चीज़ मिल ही नहीं सकती अगर मैं किसी चीज़ को पाने के लिए कोई काम ही नहीं करूँगा। वो चीज़ मुझे मिलेगी कैसे? लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए, अगर मैं इस चीज़ को पाने के लिए एक्शन ही नहीं लूँगा तो ये चीज़ मुझे मिलेगी कैसे? द प्रॉब्लम इज़ नॉट लैक ऑफ नॉलेज। नॉलेज तो देखो यूट्यूब पर ट्यूटोरियल्स हैं, बुक्स हैं, एवरीथिंग इज़ रिटन इन द बुक्स। यू कैन फाइंड पॉडकास्ट वीडियोज़ ऑनलाइन जिनके भरपूर नॉलेज है। यू कैन गेट टू नो अबाउट एवरी सिंगल थिंग, बट स्टिल you think you are lazy. The issue lies in the willpower, not the information. Information you can get it from anywhere, but willpower needs to come from within. देखो मोटिवेशन वीडियो यूट्यूब पे जाओ, ढेरों मोटिवेशन वीडियो मिल जाएंगे, उन्हें देखो, 100 वीडियो देखो, बट आफ्टर यू वॉच मोटिवेशनल वीडियो व्हाट हैपन्स इज अंदर जो आग आती है, जो उसका ग्राफ है, आफ्टर वॉचिंग मोटिवेशन वीडियो लाइक दिस, आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स लाइक दिस, एक और मोटिवेशन वीडियो देखी लाइक दिस, आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स लाइक दिस। दैट्स इनकंसिस्टेंट. What you need is a constant drive of energy, a constant fire from within, which comes from within. सिर्फ वही ऐसी चीज़ है जो तुम्हें वहाँ तक, अब तुम्हारे गोल तक, जो तुम्हारा विजन है उस तक ले जाएगी. Motivation creates short burst of energy that quickly fades away. I also feel cycle of enthusiasm when I watch motivational videos. A fire comes from within, like I want to do this, I can do this. But कुछ समय बाद क्या होता है, वो फायर चली जाती है, हमारा जो दिमाग उसे भूल जाता है, हमारी मेमोरी से याद भी नहीं रख पाती. Why is that? Because there is no emotional, much more deeper connection. The deepest, the most realistic connection that you could make is from within. जो हमारे किसी चीज़ को पाने की आग है वो किसी वीडियो को देखने से बस टेम्पररीली आ सकती है. अगर वो आग तुम्हें परमानेंटली चाहिए तो उसके लिए तुम्हें खुद पर काम करना होगा. जो आग है वो तुम्हारे खुद के अंदर से आएगी. यू विल गेट टू अ पॉइंट वेयर योर बॉडी will start motivating yourself. You don't need external motivation through videos and all the other information. You need to align yourself internally, align your thoughts, embody the person who you truly wanna become. Think like them. जिन जैसा बनना चाहते हो उन जैसा सोचो, उन जैसे काम करो. वो जो सोचते हैं उनकी थिंकिंग, अगर तुम्हारी थिंकिंग जिन जैसा तुम बनना चाहते हो उन जैसी थिंकिंग हो गई, so you will become that person. Because you have the same thinking, you have the same mindset, you would take same steps and you will get to the same level as they are. In my case, what I would do is I would go into a internal mind state where I would eliminate every single distraction that I have. Social media, mobile phone, TV, external news, and make a proper silent environment and close my eyes, and after that I would relax my body completely and deeply examine your truly subconscious, your thoughts. जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में थॉट्स आएंगे उन्हें केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करो एंड आइडेंटिफाई करो वो क्या कोर कॉजेज हैं जिनकी वजह से यू आर होल्डिंग बैक फ्रॉम टेकिंग दैट एक्शन. आइडेंटिफाई द रीजन्स which are letting you not to take action towards your goal, which are making you lazy, which are making you stay wherever you are. Identify those steps. शांति से बिल्कुल सोचो क्या वो ऐसी चीज़ है जो तुम्हें होल्ड बैक कर रही है, और क्या वो चीज़ है जो तुम्हें सच में चाहिए, और क्या चेंजेस तुम्हें अपनी लाइफ में लाने की ज़रूरत है वहाँ तक जाने के लिए. ऑब्जर्व इट केयरफुली. Close your eyes and slowly. Think of it in a silent, dark environment. You can do this thought exercise every single day. For it won't take long, for 15 to 20 minutes. You can try this thought exercise, and it will totally recreate. It will totally rebuild your identity. It would change your true self, and you would become a new person. Phones, TV, social media, video games, partying often prevents from self-reflection. So you need to avoid all this if you want to self-reflect. All these distractions just lead you into overthinking. Most people fail to get into this state of introspection. उनके पास टाइम ही नहीं है. ज़्यादातर लोग ये थॉट एक्सरसाइजेस नहीं करते हैं. बट अगर तुम ये करोगे तो तुम्हारे पास एज होगी ओवर ऑल द अदर पीपल. I see the main reason why people don't achieve their goals. Why don't they get successful? The main reason behind that is that they focus on everything else rather than on themselves. Also, they just refuse to accept their failures. मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है कि that you fail. You need to admit that. Everyone fails in life. Everyone have. But what separates a winner from a loser is how hard you can get hit by life and still keep moving forward. That's what differentiates a winner from a loser. Loser will stop doing the work that's need to be done, but the winner won't quit. He would do it every single day, again and again. अगर मैं मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ कि मैं हार गया, so मैं improve कैसे करूँगा उसे? How would I know कि इस चीज़ की वजह, because of this mistake I lost? How would I improve? That's the exact reason why you lost in the first place. All the information that you need resides within you. You don't need to find the information online. It's within yourself. It was forever within you. It just need an introspection from you. This rewiring helps how we think, how we perceive ourselves as a human being. You need to rewire the crappy foundation that you are currently standing on and rebuild a new foundation, a strong one, a great structure that you actually want to become. I know all of you watching this are capable. All of you are capable person because God has blessed you. You have everything. All you need is to channelize that energy in a right direction. Trust your values. Trust the process. It will get you there. You need to trust it. All the reality that you see is a projection of what's going on in here. जैसे भी तुम चीज़ देखोगे तुम्हारी रियलिटी अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज हो जाएगी. If you watch the things that are disturbing your reality, your mindset, your thinking would totally change. As a human being, we have this special ability. You can adapt to anything. Remember, you will get a solution only if you ask yourself the right questions. Only if you ask those questions to you, the true you. You are your answer. The answer lies within you. All you need is to just find it. I hope that resonated with you, and I will see you in the next video.